Hey you guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. I hope you are having a fun Christmas season. It is like December 5th and I just want to give you an update because last week I went to a rheumatologist. It was my second rheumatologist. I've been to one before. This was a different one because here we are. We're a year and 8 months into this and I just keep wanting to check on things, you know, to either rule them out or see what's going on. We still don't have any answers, but this rheumatologist did rule out any kind of rheumatoid arthritis, any kind of inflammation. She says my pain is not coming from inflammation. We are still focused on the bone issues that we have. She read the bone scans and the PET scan showing that I do have bone problems, but we don't know what it is. She recommends I go to a endocrinologist. I have some appointments coming up that are with endocrinology. So we are on the right track and I wanted to give you an update. We still don't have any answers. I am in an extreme amount of pain. It is only getting worse. I try to stay positive, but I have had some times where I've been discouraged. And I just, keep praying, and I thank you guys for praying for me. I am continually buying stuff from Amazon to help me. If you follow me on Instagram, you may see where I'm like buying different things to help me. Right now, when I take my clothes off, I'm getting ready to take a shower and I take all my clothes off and, to get my socks off. There's not a chair in there. There's a chair in the bedroom. I could walk back to the bedroom, sit down, take all my clothes off, and then walk into the bathroom. I can do that. But what happens is I get into the bathroom and I start taking my clothes off to take a shower. And it's really hard because there's nowhere to sit to take my socks off. So I bought this stick and I don't know, I'm thankful that these things exist. People have invented these things to help me and all the people in the world that need help like this. So it's very inexpensive and $11.99 from Amazon. And it has this little hook and you can push down. So I can be standing there and take off my socks and everything by just standing and not having to sit, bend over, try to lift one leg up, which I can't do anymore. So yeah, I'm thankful. And if you guys know anyone that needs that kind of stuff, I'm here for you. I've been buying stuff left and right from Amazon. So there's also these things because my ribs hurt so bad. And the inside of my torso hurts so bad, like my lungs, my ribs. It's so painful when I turn over in the middle of the night. When I lift up out of bed, get myself out of like a laying position, it's like, it hurts so bad. So I bought a couple more things. They haven't come in yet, so I can't tell you about them as far as testing them. But I have ordered some more assistant type devices to help me, and I will let you know about those and how they work. So anyway, getting ready for Christmas. The house is decorated. We just have a small tree, but it's still really festive and cozy in there, so I might insert some clips. I do like a lot of lights, so even though our tree is small, it just looks cozy, and we've been enjoying it, so it's good. Christmas is coming, and it will be here before you know it. And a couple weekends ago, my sister, my niece, my dad, and I made ornaments for Jaitlin's softball team, and we have done that in the past, I don't know, it's probably like 3 or 4 years ago. We made ornaments for Jaitlin's softball team, but her softball team has changed now. The name has changed. She's got new friends on this new team. And so we made ornaments and my dad was able to help this time. We had fun and I want to insert some clips of us doing that. And yeah, they turned out really cute. They always do. My sister has like this creative, she just comes up with great ideas and they look really good. So
it's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
In my hand, what if it burns my hand?
It's not going to burn your hand.
Well,
Is there
you're
any
acting
seeds
like
in that
it
one?
tastes
It's just one.
Okay.
Like demon. I need a drink.
You got to be the tester before Daddy
I'm
eats it.
scared.
Have you not tasted it yet, Daddy?
Oh.
You might like it.
I mean, I didn't realize it was going to be like.
I just want to get a reaction.
There's 4 seeds in here, Pat.
Well, I just saw the one. All right, you ready?
No, I ain't having
You're
none.
doing it with
Oh, you
me?
got it? Okay, go, Daddy.
Well,
Wait,
I'm-
let me.
I'll
Get her
wait for
soda ready.
pieces.
You got to get a drink ready too, Daddy.
Oh God, he's already coughing.
All
Ready?
right, go.
It's not that bad.
We'll wait until it's settled.
I feel that.
I'm already.
It's not that bad.
It tastes delicious.
You
It's
want
just
some?
spicy.
I don't really want more, but it doesn't really taste that bad.
Yeah,
I mean,
it tastes
doesn't
good.
taste that spicy. Probably
sure
because
you
I
don't
eat
want
like
another
a bag of Takis every week.
You eat hot Takis?
Oh, yeah.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that
I guess that's it, you guys. That's my update. I hope you guys are getting ready for Christmas, and thank you for watching. And I probably will not post another video unless I find out something from my health situation. I know you guys have been following along and you're curious and you've been praying for me and thinking about me, and so I don't want to leave you hanging. If I find out something, I want to come on here and let you know. I may not before Christmas though, so I will talk to you as soon as I can, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas season. Do some fun things with your family and enjoy all those hugs. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around